Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome to this video. This is Crack Revenue's Smartlink, okay, for adult marketing. And you can make a lot of money with this if you know what you're doing. So let's freaking dive into this video and explain. So basically, guys, how Smartlink works is based off the country, based off the device type, based off the browser they're in, all this stuff. They're going to push an offer to someone, okay, that you send, you're linking to, you're going to send them to some random offer. This smart link just kind of knows what offer, okay? But you can kind of do this too. You can have literally like specific types of offers it will push to based off the traffic, okay? Now, you could do this method, which I'm going to explain to you, you can make a lot of money with because there's a lot of ways to monetize. You're not just getting people to go to specific offers that this smart link thinks people will convert on, but you also make money from Popunder, okay? And you make money from back offers. Now, in 1 month, I've been doing, adult marketing for the past many months, okay? But this month, I haven't cashed out yet, okay? It's at the end of the month, pretty much. And I've done a little bit of marketing. I might got 10x ROI. That is like $72,000 just from like adult marketing, which is very powerful to do, okay? But I'm not just doing smart links, okay? I'm mainly doing specific offers and doing banner ads and some Popunder, okay? But I want to explain to you guys how you can crush it because I don't have all the time in the world to do all these methods. If I did, I would, okay? But I'm literally giving you guys gold here, okay? So you get your link, boom. Make sure you have these on because if someone presses the back button, you get money. If someone just literally extra earners just from selling your Popunder traffic, okay? It just happens, people go through your link and Popunders happen naturally and you make more money, okay? Now, what you want to do is you really want to do global adult, okay? Now you can do dating, specifically just dating offers or just cam offers. I recommend just global adult. They'll send to the best offers they think the person will convert on and boom, you're good. But the thing is, with the smart link, is like you can't just do a banner ad, okay? You do Popunder, okay? So you were going to go to these sites here. Juicy Ads is powerful. Juicy Ads is for adult, okay? And basically, you could do Popunder traffic mainly. But they do have banner, but you want to do Popunder. So Juicy Ads is a massive adult network for just Popunder ads. By the way, it's the cheapest in the world. I mean, nothing gets cheaper than Popunder traffic at all, okay? It's crazy. The other one is called Plug Rush. And I don't want to have to log in and blur out a ton of stuff, okay? So I'm just showing you guys the front. And it's so easy to make a campaign. You just literally need your smart link, okay? So you copy your smart link, boom, you got it. And now you just go plug and play. You just target worldwide. I really recommend worldwide because it'll be cheaper than anything you've ever paid for in your life. So literally just do every flipping country out there, okay, when you target. And you're going to be getting around $1 per 1,000 people who hit your link. $1, bro. $1. Okay, it's like the easiest money you've ever made in your life, okay? You should be making back 2x to 5x, okay? That's what you should be seeing with the smart link because you're literally getting traffic in insane abundance, okay? The smart link is the way to go with Popunder. Nothing's better, okay? So click, I don't have to blur out much here, so I kind of had this pulled up. You can do click and literally do Popunder with X videos, but so many other sites they've got. They've got some of the most Popunder out there, okay? Juicy Ads and Plug Rush have a lot, especially worldwide. You can just run on one of these. I like Plug Rush a lot. With Popunder, run with Plug Rush a bunch, and I do banner ads with Click and Traffic Junkie. Traffic Junkie doesn't have Popunder, okay? But guys, the strategy's crazy because it's so cheap, okay? And you could turn around the money so fast because you're literally getting so much traffic and you're monetizing in 3 different ways, okay? You're sending them to an offer that it believes what they will convert on, okay? So your smart link's global. And then you just copy it, boom, you're set. Don't worry about any of this at all. Just do literally Popunder traffic. You guys will see money, okay? And keep optimizing. And here's the coolest part. If the traffic's bad, you're still making money because you're reselling it essentially with these right here, okay? And they have the opportunity to possibly convert on the offers. And it goes crazy, okay? It's like conversion. This is a big opportunity. I mean, I would have charged a lot of money to teach you guys this, or at least something to teach you guys this. And I'm like, this is crazy. It's time for you guys to crush it. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to learn more crazy methods, Check out links in the description. I go in depth on powerful stuff. If you want to spy on what's working in the adult world, you can get the spy tool for super discount. I give you access to it and everything with my login info. If you want amazingly powerful done for you funnels or done for you campaigns, I have that at a super discount right now. It's like not even, it's crazy, okay, that I have it so discounted. Then the mentorship with me if you want that, then go check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you learning machines later. Peace out.